2026 tax filing season. The IRS may face 2026 tax refund delays due to a reduction in staff. As per the Taxpayer Advocate Service report, Taxpayer Services has had a 21% reduction in staff. The IRS started in January of 2025 with 42,122 staff. They are now currently down to 33,264 staff members. 2025 tax refund delays. The IRS updated the numbers, and for the 2025 tax filing season, total returns received 165,824,000. Total returns processed as of December 26, 2025 was 165,469,000, and that leaves 355,000 tax refunds still delayed. So if you're still waiting on your 2025 tax refund, you are not alone. The IRS can take your 2026 tax refund if your student loan is in default, and your student loan goes in default after 270 days of non-payment. So make sure that your student loan is up to date before filing your 2025 tax returns, because the IRS can take your 2026 tax refunds for non-payment. You may be able to claim the child and dependent care expense if you pay someone to care for your dependent who is under age 13, or for your spouse or dependent who isn't able to take care of themselves. The credit can be up to 35% of your employment-related expenses. To qualify, you must pay these expenses so you or your spouse, if filing jointly, can work or look for work. If you are self-employed, you must file a tax return if you have net earnings from self-employment of $400 or more from your gig work, even if it's a side job, part-time job, or temporary work. You still must file taxes on that income if it is at least $400. The IRS states that you can use your sales receipt to calculate your total income from your gig work if you do not receive a 1099, in order to make sure you are reporting all of your income accurately, and this is to avoid your tax return being flagged for further review, delaying your 2026 tax refund. How to update your direct deposit information. You can update your direct information using your IRS online account. You want to log into your account. You want to hit the profile icon, and once you hit that profile icon, as you can see from the screenshot, the second option, click on that banking information, and this is where you can add and update your banking information. Contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.